Hello and welcome to Chebooss Tech. Today, we're gonna delve into the distinctions between two pivotal methodologies, site reliability engineering, or what is commonly known as SRE, and DevOps. So, without further ado, let's unreveal their unique roles in the tech landscape. First of all, let's start with SRE. SRE focuses on maintaining robust, reliable systems. Think of it as the guardian of system performance, emphasizing automation, incident response, and strict service level objectives. Whereas for DevOps is a collaborative mindset that revolutionizes software development. It champions mainly collaboration, continuous integration, automation, and treating infrastructure as code. For the differences between the two concepts, SRE hones in the system reliability, making it highly available and performing seamlessly. For instance, we can fix some objective of like the three nines. For example, we can fix 90.99% of uptime for a server in the production environment. Or we can focus on a business need that requires to be up for the end customer and require it to be up for 98%, for example. For DevOps, on the other hand, it transforms the entire development cycle, enhancing communication, automation, and delivery speed. So, in a nutshell, DevOps rather focuses on the transformation of the delivering of a project seamlessly and continuously rather than passing by the ancient methods of delivering projects. But the SRE is like an implementation of DevOps. So once the artifact or the final product is available to the end client, SRE engineers are assuring that this product is respected by the means of uptime and availability to the end user. So in a nutshell, in this video I showed to you the difference between SRE and DevOps and a quick definition of both concepts. Thanks for joining us at Chebooss Tech. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, bye and keep exploring the tech universe.